Hello students, this is my second video for this chapter determinants. So let us go through it. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Shyam Sundar Agrawal with your friends and relatives. Here I am going to elaborate the application of determinant, where we are going to use this determinant. In my first video, we have already discussed how to evaluate the determinant of first order, second order, third order, etc. How to evaluate determinant of triangular matrices. Now, what is the application of determinants? The first application is area of triangle. Area of triangle with three vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is half into determinant of x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1. See, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So, x coordinate lies written in the first column, y coordinate in the second column, then 1 1 1, determinant of this into half. And we know area can never be negative. So, this determinant always be positive. So, let us find out what is the area of a triangle with the three vertices 2, 7, 1, 1 and 10, 8. So, as per the formula, the area of triangle is half into determinant of x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1. That means, in the first column we have to write the x coordinates, that is 2, 1 and 10. And in the second column we have to write the y coordinates y1, y2, y3 7, 1, 8, and in the third column we have to write 1, 1, 1. So, area of the triangle is half into determinant of 2, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, 10, 8, 1. So, area of the triangle is equals to, now according to first row, half into determinant of, that is 2 into 1 minus 8 minus 7 into 1 minus 10 plus 1 into 8 minus 10, which is equals to half into minus 14 plus 63 minus 2, which is equals to 47 by 2 square units. And I think you know how to evaluate the 3 cross 3 determinants. So, just I am giving a simple example how to find out the area of the triangle. Similarly, that 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are collinear if area bounded between them is equals to 0. That means, we can say determinant of x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1 is equals to 0. So, second application is the 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are collinear if the determinant of x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1 equals to 0. So, let us let us explain that one by an example, so that whether the three given points 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 are collinear points. Here direct question is given that we have to show these are collinear. That means we have to show area bounded between them is 0. And we know the 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are collinear if the determinant of x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1 is equals to 0. That means the determinant of 1, 3, 1, 2, 6, 1, 3, 9, 1. If this determinant is equals to 0, then that 3 points are collinear. So, determinant of that is equals to 1 into 6 minus 9 minus 3 into 2 minus 3 plus 1 into 18 minus 18. That is minus 3 plus 0 is equals to 0. So, as this determinant is equals to 0, so the given 3 points are collinear. Now, let us evaluate one more question. Find out the value of k if the area of the triangle is 4 square units and the vertices are minus 2 0 0 4 0 k. Given that area is equals to 4 square units, so determinant modulus of determinant is equals to 4. See here, area is not 4, it is 2, that half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equals to 2. So, half goes to that side, it is 4. So, wrongly it is written 4. So, it is 2. So, determinant of area of minus 2 0 1 0 4 1 0 k 1 is equals to 4, or minus 2 into 4 minus k minus 0 into something plus 1 into 0 minus 0 is equals to 4, or you can say 2k minus 8, modulus of 2k minus 8 is equals to 4. Modulus of 2k minus 8 is equals to 4 means it may be plus 4 or it may be minus 4. So, 2k is equals to 12, so k is equals to 6, and 2k is equals to 4, so k is equals to 2. So, the values of k equals to either 6 or 2, for which area bounded by the 3 points minus 2 0 0 4 0 k is 2, not 4. Okay. Next application is to find out the equation of line joining 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2. Let the general point on the line joining x1 y1 x2 y2 is x comma y. That means these 3 points are on the same line, so they are collinear. xy, x1 y1 x2 y2 are collinear, and if 3 points are collinear, then determinant of xy1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 is equals to 0. So, here to find out the equation of line joining x1 y1 and x2 y2 is the determinant of xy1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 is equals to 0. So, let us take an example. Find out equation of the line joining 1 2 and 3 6. Let the general point on the line joining 1 2 and 3 6 is x comma y. So, the points xy 1 2 and 3 6 are collinear, and we know 3 points are collinear if determinant of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1 is equals to 0. So, xy1 1 2 1 3 6 1 is equals to 0, or x into 2 minus 6 minus y into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. And I think you know how to evaluate the 3 cross 3 order determinants. So, it is minus 4x plus 2y is equals to 0, or y minus 2x is equals to 0. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my video YouTube channel Dr. Shyam Sundar Agrawal. Thank you very much and happy watch for the next video. Thank you.